Hey everybody, this is Tolan Peterson with MyFirstPlaceNorthwest.org. Today we're going to be talking about kind of where the first-time homebuyer demographic is in the North Seattle area, kind of what entry-level housing is doing at this point in time. We've wrote a couple blogs and done some video blogs in the past about this same topic over probably the past 12 to 18 months. So if you guys have caught those previous blogs or video blogs, you're well aware we're definitely dealing with the seller's market right now. First-time homebuyers don't necessarily have a ton of leverage when they're trying to buy their first home. If we look at the numbers today, we are seeing that things are getting a little bit better for first-time homebuyers, meaning that the competition isn't as stiff as it's been in the past 12 to 18 months. We are still seeing some cash offers out there, but not as many cash investors as there have been in the past. We are still seeing multiple offer situations, but again, maybe you're going up against 4 or 5 other buyers as opposed to 15 or 20. So that's getting a little bit better for first-time homebuyers as well. And then also bidding wars. We are still seeing some bidding wars. We are still seeing some homes sell for over asking price, but the amount that they're selling over list is not quite as drastic as it has been in the past. So again, it's still definitely a seller's market right now. First-time homebuyers still don't necessarily have a ton of leverage when negotiating or trying to purchase their first home. But again, things are definitely getting better. So a lot of this is because year over year we've seen a little bit more inventory come on the market, and so simple supply and demand. If there's a ton of demand there, and then more supply becomes available, that's just helpful to meet the existing demand. And so we're speculating that this trend will probably continue in the near future, especially if we continue to see appreciation levels rise at the same pace as they have been recently. That's probably going to make a lot of home sellers that are waiting to come on the market, that are potentially in kind of an underwater position, right, where they owe more on their home than it's worth. As home prices continue to go up, more and more of these sellers will be in a position to actually sell. We're kind of estimating that this may come to fruition in the kind of late spring, early summertime. Again, as long as we continue to see appreciation as we have in the past. So that will, bring more homes on the market. That will help meet the demand, and so that may be a benefit to first-time home buyers. The disclaimer there is that if you're thinking, well, I'll just go ahead and wait then until there's more inventory so that I have more to choose from. Obviously, it's a kind of a double-edged sword. The premise of more homes coming on the market, right, is obviously that home values are continuing to rise. So that's a little bit of a negative downside for first-time home buyers. Obviously, if home prices go up, that makes affordability come down. The other thing that we're probably going to continue to see moving forward is that interest rates are probably going to inch up in the near future. The Fed has basically announced that they're going to ease back on their bond buying strategy, therefore kind of allowing interest rates to ease up because they feel that the economy is in a kind of a fuller swing recovery. So waiting till the summer to buy may give you more options to choose from. It may make the scenario less stressful, but then again, we may see higher prices and higher interest rates. So there's not really a one-size-fits-all answer for whether or not you should wait or buy today. It's really kind of more a personal situation. You have to look at your own parameters, your own criteria, your own life circumstances to really figure out whether or not you should buy today or wait. But definitely when you're trying to make this decision, think about your own specific scenario. Don't necessarily just pay attention to the news, because the news often is covering on a national basis. Don't pay attention to information just about first-time home buyers, because again, the first-time home buyer demographic is very large. So just kind of look at your scenario, your neighborhoods, your price points, stuff like that. We're going to go ahead and cut it off there today. I don't want this video to go too long, but thanks so much for stopping by. Please remember, if you'd like to get more information about kind of the first-time home buyer market and what it's doing today as it relates to your specific demographic, or if you'd like to just come in and learn more about the first-time home buying process in general, please go to our website at www.myfirstplacenw.org. Go to our calendar's reservations page and sign up for one of our free workshops. Thanks so much. We'll catch you next time.